Hey folks, welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making sausage balls. It's a great little appetizer that don't take not much time, and you can just grab a couple and go on your way for breakfast. You're going to need 2 cups of Bisquick mix, 8-ounce package of cheese, a little bit of water, and 1 pound of breakfast sausage in a processor. You can do it by hand, but I wouldn't advise it. It takes a long time because I did it for years. There's my breakfast sausage. I used to make this by hand forever. You know, I'd mix it up and everything. And a friend of mine, she put a post out one day about her making sausage balls, and it was real hard to, make them, stir them up. So she used a food processor, and so ever since then, that's what I've used. I didn't even think about using one of those before that. And we're going to put 2 cups of Bisquick in there. And I put a little bit of water, not even, probably a couple of tablespoons. Well, that biscuit is hard to mix. We're going to put it in the food processor, and then we're going to pulse it. Just about mixed. We got our oven preheated to 350, and we're going to spray the pan with a little cooking spray so it won't stick. Let's see. And we're going to start making them into balls. You just roll them up. I got a tablespoon here, I think. You just roll them up into a little ball. Put them on your cookie sheet. And you're gonna cook them for 7 minutes, and I'll turn them, and then cook them another 7 minutes or thereabouts. You can use them ice cream scoops. But I just use this. I've used plain sausage. I've used, you want it a little spicy, you can use hot sausage. It gives it a little kick. Or you can combine them. I've done that before. Just, you know, whatever you like. We're going to put them in the oven for at 350 for 7 minutes, and then we're going to turn them and put them back in there for another 7. I've taken the sausage balls out of the oven. I had to let them stay in there just a little longer because I haven't made these in a while because I was in the hospital. And so my husband took over cooking them. So I put them in there, I guess, about 9 minutes, maybe 10, and then flipped them over, and then let them stay in there about 10 minutes more. It all depends on what size you make them. But mine are, you know, like that. And that's what they look like, that size. But they're really good. They're nice and light brown and real soft and not crunchy. It is so good. They're great for an appetizer. I'm taking these to my small group in the morning. We have breakfast on Sunday morning, a little snack thing. And so they're going to like that. And I'm going to take my pistachio nut swirl cake. That is great. That'll be in the link on my page in a while. And they're great for holidays. You know, you're having a Christmas party. We eat these all the time. So I hope you try them and like them. And I usually make 2 batches because my son and my husband love to take them to work for breakfast. You just pop them in a Ziploc bag and throw them in the microwave. And so, you know, breakfast is done for them. So I hope you enjoy them and come back and see what else I'm going to make. Thank you. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite recipe. Also, in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise, as well as any affiliate links that I may have. Thank you always for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.